name is Adam. I'm here to give you an orientation on how your mini split works here for Isola homes. This Mitsubishi unit is the heating source for the main floor of the kitchen and the master bedroom. Both of these units repeat themselves and the controls are universal. There are pressure point systems that lock the panel in place. You just pop those loose, which gives you access to the filters, which will require routine maintenance. The filters lift up very easily and pull out of the channel that's in play. If they're dirty, you just take them right to the sink, clean them out, and make sure that they're 100% dry before you put them back in. There are asthma filters in the back that can be purchased at Home Depot or through the vendor that installed the unit. And all of that information for the vendor is in your homeowner book and information drawer. These units have one Mitsubishi brain on the roof that tell it what to do. For the settings that are on there, on the control itself, they have a mode control, and on the left of the panel screen will tell you what mode you're in. At the moment, it is in an AC mode. When you hit the mode control, it will move it. The raindrop is a dehumidifying mode. The sun is the heat mode. And the circulation circulates any heated air that is already in the room. Keep in mind that the unit itself with the one Mitsubishi brain on the roof can only tell the unit to do one function at a time. You cannot run AC and heat on different floors or the unit will condensate. There are programming for the unit for turn on by itself, or it can be manually done. The on and off button and the heat control from hot to cold. It also can be set up for a vacation mode, which you'll refer to the operation instructions provided by the manufacturer. That way you can control any of the heat and whatever desired temperatures that you want while you are not in the home. So that is a basic rundown of operations of a Mitsubishi mini split in Isola homes.